Before we start with today's agenda, I would like to briefly reflect on yesterday's program. Day one of the conference brought together a rich and highly insightful exchange on how public employment services are evolving in response to rapidly changing labor markets, skill shortages, and increasing mobility of the workforce. Across three thematic panels, a clear common thread emerged: the growing importance of labor market intelligence, data-driven decision-making, and stronger institutional cooperation as the foundation for more effective employment policies and services. The first panel set the strategic tone for demonstrating how labor market intelligence can be transformed into concrete action, with practical examples on how data and the forecasting tools are used to address skill shortages, improve matching, and strengthen one-stop shop approach for better outcomes for both job seekers and employers. The second panel built on this foundation by focusing on innovation and future-oriented solutions. Discussions highlighted how digital tools, new analytical approaches, and targeted initiatives for different groups, including young people, and reshaping the way skills ecosystem function, and how employment services can better connect education, employers, and job seekers. The third panel shifted the focus to labor mobility and the integration of foreign workers, underlying the importance of timely skills recognition, portability of qualification, and institutional cooperation and coordination. Practical experiences and bilateral examples demonstrated how policy framework are translated into operational solutions that enable more orderly, fair, and effective mobility across the borders. Overall, the day clearly showed that while challenges differ across countries and systems, the direction of travel is shared toward more integrated, data-informed, and cooperative employment services that better respond to both current and future labor market needs. Looking ahead to day two, discussion will continue in the same spirit, with a focus on further strengthening the skill recognition, regional cooperation, and practical tools that support more resilient and inclusive labor market across the region and beyond. So, thematic block 3, Path for the Future, strengthening skills, technology, and counseling excellence, has been structured into three panels, or three parts. The block will begin with the launch of research paper focused on the future skills needed for PASS counselors, setting the stage for forward-looking decisions on how employment services can continue to evolve. It will then continue with two closely connected panel discussions. Panel discussion 4 will focus on counseling excellence and partnership, highlighting the evolving role of PASS counselors in combining human-centered approach with new tools, strengthening professional competencies, and building stronger institutional and international partnership to better support clients. And the panel discussion 5 will shift the focus to digital transformation and artificial intelligence, examining how emerging technologies are reshaping employment services, career guidance, and recruitment processes, and how PASS can adapt to remain efficient, data-driven, and client-centered and increasingly digital environments.